Today we are assembled here to talk to the government, to see the plight of intern teachers who have served for 1 whole year, and they are very anxious, they have anxiety, they don't know what is going to happen to them when the year comes to an end. As a union, we are demanding that the teachers who have been employed on internship from the beginning of this year be confirmed. Ladies and gentlemen, it is very difficult for an individual who is earning 17,000 to survive a whole month. It is important that the government fast tracks the confirmation of the teachers who are on intern to ensure that learning continues when the year begins next year, 2026.
Today, we are telling the government that we only sign 1-year contract, a non-renewal, non-year contract, not 2 years contracts as always be purported by the president. Mongoose power! Mongoose power! Mongoose power! To the government again, we are aware that there are letters circulating online being supplied by the MPs. What I am asking, where is the money for this particular activity coming from? And yet they are saying there is no money to confirm the 20,000 interns. Mongoose power! Mongoose power! To all parents countrywide. I repeat, to all parents countrywide, there will be no science teacher come January in your JSS schools if the government will not confirm the 20,000 interns. Mongoose power! Mongoose power! Mongoose power!
As we speak, even from right now, it is also confirmed that there is the application going on right now, and so many teachers have really applied for this particular replacement. Before the government replaced the teachers that had already left, we want this government to confirm the 20,000 teachers. Mongoose power! Mongoose power! Let the government confirm the 20,000 teachers before doing the replacement for the teachers who are not there right now.